Good evening, everybody. This is Sean Carlson, Black Shack 98 Enterprises. Today is Tuesday, September 24th, 2024 at 6:30 p.m. I want to talk to everybody about the weed whacker that I have fixed and the other weed whackers I have fixed. We're not going to talk about this one in particular, but we're going to go through them in respect to the carburetors, compression, stroke, and displacement. So let me turn the camera around. Okay, so this I just did. It's a stihl FS56, and this was the carburetor that I went and took out and went and fixed. And even though I swapped them out, this is one from Amazon. Now, believe it or not, but this is the same carburetor that you can buy for an FS38, an FS55, and this one here, an FS76. And I had downloaded and printed out the manuals for those carburetors, and these are the statistics that I have found. Okay, when you look at this chart, what do you see? You can put this on pause if you're not and look at it, but when it comes to the FS38 and the FS55, they have the exact same bore stroke and the diameter, the displacement, the bore, the stroke is the same. So what is the difference between an FS38 and an FS55? The difference is an FS38 is a curved shaft, and an FS55 is a straight shaft. An FS76 is similar to an FS55, but it will have other attachments to it, like handlebars. This one might be like this, or it could also be handlebars. The curved shaft will always be like this. Okay, so when it comes to these two, believe it or not, it's the same son of a bitchin' piston and cylinder and the carburetor. When it comes to these two, they are both straight shafts, which means they can have different heads on each of them, not just a string line trimmer. And what's the difference? They have different displacements, as you can see, but once again, the same carburetor. When it comes to the power that you put these out to, a lot of people listen by ear to tune the carburetor. You would be surprised to find out that the manufacturer suggested is 9,500 revolutions per minute for an FS38, 9,500 revolutions per minute for an FS55, and for an FS76, 7,200 revolutions per minute. So, just because you go to a bigger number does not necessarily mean that you're getting a better weed whacker. If you read the manufacturer's operator's manual, you will find these in near the back of the book, and they will tell you that. What it is that I'm showing you here is copied directly out of all three of those manuals that I printed. And these pictures here are exactly what the difference is between these three weed whackers. The carburetor. It could be a Walbro, it could be a Zama. But if you were to buy one from Amazon, it will fit on all three of these equally. Okay? That's just something I wanted to talk about and bring to all your attention, in case you were wondering, is this one specific to this? Is this one specific to this? Or is this one specific to this? The answer is no. You got to read your owner's operator's manual to figure that out. That's it.